Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to create subfolders inside an S3 bucket for AWS using node.js. So yeah, let's get started. So here you can see I have created a simple node.js application, and inside package.json I have added this AWS client S3 library. We require this lib storage as well, and we require this S3 request pre-signer. This is required only if you want an URL for the uploaded file. And here I have taken this express as well as express file upload, and in dev dependency I have added .env because of environment variables. So the first thing which which you have to do is and here I have also added the start and dev command as well. So if you go to index.js, here you can see I am just requiring this .env because I am using environment variables. Then I am using this express as well as express file upload, and you can ignore this for now, like this is part of separate app, like different video which I was doing. And here you can see this is the upload routes which I have created, and here as you can see I have created the app object for our express, as well as I'm using URL encoded and JSON, and this is for course handling. If you want you can write it again, this you can ignore it. And here I'm using file upload as well as the upload routes, and this is for in case if there is any error inside our routes. So that's what I'm handling over here, and I'm running this on port 3001. Now if you go to upload routes.js, here you can see if you remember previously, like in previous video which I have made of uploading files to S3, I was using this put object command, right? But if you want to create folders automatically inside S3 bucket and inside the subfolders you want to put your files, don't use this put object command, because that is not the right way of doing things. So here you can see that I'm just adding all these imports. If you want you can remove this put object command as well, this is never really used. And here I am importing express, then I'm importing S3 client, get object command and head object command. So this head object command will help us to create folders as well as check whether there are any existing folders or not. Get signed URL will help us to get the signed URL, and upload will help us to upload that file to S3. So here you can see I'm creating this router, then I'm creating an S3 client. I'm selecting the region, as well as you will get the access ID and secret access key from your AWS console as well. And first there is this method to check whether the folder exists or not. So if we are trying, so what I'm doing is I'm creating a folder called 2024, then inside that I'm creating a folder called Jan, and inside that, because currently it is January month, and inside that I'm creating I'm uploading my image file. So first I'm checking whether those folder exist or not. So this is the code for checking it, and it takes the folder name, and this is for creating a folder. So again it takes a prefix. So if the folder does not exist, then only create this folder. So here you can see I'm using the upload method, and here this is the actual route, so /upload. So first we will get the file which the user has uploaded, then we will get the file name, then from the file name I'm getting the file extension as well as the file name without extension. So that's what I'm doing over here. And then I'm also attaching the timestamp, and then I'm getting the full name. I'm attaching the timestamp because if there are multiple files with same name, then it might cause issue. So here you can see I'm creating a subfolder inside my S3 bucket. So the first folder will be 2024. After that I want to create another subfolder inside 2024 called Jan, and then so here you can see while uploading I want it within the 2024 folder, inside that the Jan folder, and inside that our file will be present. Okay, and here you can see I'm using the upload command, I'm not using the put object command. So once upload is done, you can again pass the file name. So here I'm passing the file name, and I'm getting the signed URL as well. So once I get the signed URL, you can set the expiry time as well, and I'm just sending the signed URL back to the client side. So here you can so I will show you guys the output as well. See over here I'm using this localhost 3001 /upload. I'm using this file parameter. I have picked an image from my local setup, and once I send it I get the download URL. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.